When you search for blow torches, everything looks almost identical. Same shiny surfaces, similar promises. But the truth is, the real winners have features that truly matter, hidden gems that can transform your cooking. Product number 1, Thermomaven Propane Torch. Let's kick things off with the Thermomaven Propane Torch. Priced at $49.99, this torch grabbed my attention with its one-touch max fire feature. If you want an easy way to elevate your grilling game, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Thermomaven can unleash a blistering 3,272 degrees F flame, perfect for searing steaks or caramelizing desserts. The triple safety guard adds peace of mind, preventing burns with a heat-sensitive nozzle and a secure gas seal. Plus, it's designed for versatility. Whether you're lighting charcoal, grilling, or even tackling DIY projects, it's got your back. With 4.5 stars and over 1,200 reviews, people are loving this product. Just last month, over 3,000 were sold. Now, some people complained about the lack of a gas canister being included. For many users, this isn't a deal breaker, especially since it allows you to choose the propane canister that fits your needs best. This torch is perfect for you if you love barbecuing or enjoy cooking at home with flame. Skip this one if you need something more compact or lightweight, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if that lack of included gas canister bothered you, this next one takes a different approach. Product number 2, KOACKL Powerful Propane Torch Gun. Next up is the KOACKL Powerful Propane Torch Gun, also at $49.99. This one caught my eye with its CSA certification and high heat capabilities. If you want a torch that's designed for safety and performance, this is worth considering. The adjustable fuel regulator lets you control the flame size precisely, whether you're browning a delicate meringue or blasting a steak into perfection. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even during extended sessions. With 1,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, users are raving about its reliability. However, some users mention that the torch can be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, while it may feel slightly bulkier, that robust construction often translates to better performance and durability, especially for serious cooks. This is perfect for you if you're a cooking enthusiast or someone who loves camping. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for quick tasks, but it definitely holds its own in terms of value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual use. Product number 3, Thermomaven Propane Torch Lighter. Now let's check out the Thermomaven Propane Torch Lighter for just $19.99. This caught my attention for its affordable price and solid performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly kitchen torch, this is worth a serious look. The angled nozzle design helps protect your hands from burns, while the adjustable flame control allows you to fine-tune it for different cooking needs. With 1,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, many users are satisfied with its performance considering the price point. Now, some users did report that it's not as durable as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual cook or just starting out, this torch provides excellent value without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable torch for various cooking tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand heavy, everyday use, but for the price, it really packs a punch. Next up, we have another Thermomaven model that might just surprise you even more. Product number 4, Thermomaven Powerful Propane Torch. Next is another Thermomaven model, the Powerful Propane Torch, priced at $29.99. I was impressed by its multifunctional capabilities. If you want versatility in your cooking tools, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable flame control is user-friendly and provides a steady burn, which is ideal when you're trying to achieve that perfect sear on your steak. With over 1,300 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users are appreciating its performance. Some users did find it a bit heavy during extended use. Here's the thing though, it's built to last, so you get more durability, which is a big plus for serious grilling sessions. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable torch for both cooking and outdoor activities. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight, but it definitely delivers great value for what you pay. Lastly, let's take a look at a compact option that has gained quite a following. Product number 5, Syndico Butane Torch Lighter. Finally, we have the Syndico Butane Torch Lighter at just $17.99. This budget option stood out to me for its ease of use and portability. If you're looking for something simple and effective, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Syndico torch features a visible fuel window, so you can see how much fuel you have left, which is huge when you're in the middle of a cooking session. It reaches up to 2,372 degrees F, perfect for tasks like baking or crafting. With over 18,000 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, this torch has quite a fan base. However, some users mention that the flame can be hard to adjust at times. Here's the thing though, once you find your ideal setting, it's reliable, making it perfect for quick jobs or casual cooking without fuss. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, user-friendly torch for light culinary tasks. Skip this one if you need high heat for more demanding cooking, but it's a great entry-level option. So there you have it, 5 fantastic blow torches that cater to different needs, from budget-friendly to professional-grade options. Let's wrap up. To wrap it up, we explored the Thermomaven Propane Torch, KOACKL Powerful Propane Torch Gun, Thermomaven Propane Torch Lighter, another Thermomaven Powerful Propane Torch, and the Syndico Butane Torch Lighter. Each has its strengths, whether you need portability, power, or price. Choose the one that fits your cooking style, and you'll be set to add some serious fire to your kitchen adventures.